So here we have the Mini Cooper S 3-door hatchback on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the car to run through some controls first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and the twin tailpipes as well. Plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. And you can increase it further again by folding up this tray section. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle, and the fuel gauge on the right-hand side. Also in the middle, you can see the total miles of this car there, 23,692. You can change the information that's displayed above that by using a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. You can, for example, have, if you wish to, a digital readout for the speedometer displayed up here. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right-hand side stereo and phone controls. You won't be able to use the phone controls until you pair them up to the car, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center just here. So up on the screen we've got various different options, one of which is your phone, and then you can manage mobile devices and pair it from there. As you can see, it is all touchscreen, but you don't have to use the touchscreen. You can move around the screen using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it just here. If you want to listen to your music, for example, push the dial down. We're then in that menu where you can rotate the dial around to DAB, FM radio, Bluetooth audio, USB input as well. You can also pair your phone from this menu as well as from that phone menu. This car's also got satellite navigation. There's a full video that we've done showing how this sat-nav system works, and you can find that on our website and also on our YouTube channel as well. Working our way down with the main volume for the stereo, we then have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, that's off, back on again. Or you can hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Press the auto button again and you go back to whatever setting you had it on previously. With a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side as well. Beneath that we have a button to turn off the traction control. You can start and stop the engine from here, and this one turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, and then a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.